welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the adding task in the calendar section, and by the end you will have all the insights you need to see the usage of the adding task in the Bitrix24 calendar section. So grab a seat, hit that like button and let's get started. So in calendar view, you can work more efficiently with the task deadlines and plan your workload in the different time period. To access the view, navigate to the calendar section. In the calendar section, we have the option of the create. So once you click on the create, here we have the two options. One is event and another one is calendar task. So once you click on the task, you just need to create the task for this particular day. For that, you just need to add the task name. For that task, suppose you have any description, so you can add that description over here. You can add particular file for this particular task. You just add the assigning option over here for this task. After that, we have another three different options related to the task, that is the created by, participant and the observer option. So you can add participant, created by and the observer accordingly to this task. Here we have the time tracker option, so you can enable that time tracker option, or you can set the time for this particular task, suppose 10 hours. After that, we have some of the custom fields related to this task, so you can add custom fields over here. In this particular task, suppose you want to add the project or setting up the reminder or repeating this task, so you can add the project. You can create new project over here. You can set the reminder for this particular task. You can repeat this task for week, for day or for the month. You can view the Gantt view of this particular chat, and you can add CRM entity, dependent task, subtask, tags related to this particular task. So once you click on the add task, so you can create the task from the particular calendar view. So as we set the deadline of our task to the 26th of January. So here you can see the Republic Day task is appear over here in this particular calendar section, and you can see that task. You can see all this information of this particular task over here. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.